digging it out. I really need a bobcat to come in here and do this, but oh well. The guys that were stripping up the old asphalt out front, I had them drop off a couple shovels full of the old broken asphalt. I separated it from the crushed asphalt right here. It's all crushed. I got it lined up kind of nice there. So I can go ahead and jigsaw piece the asphalt in here. Put the old crushed asphalt over that. It will fill in the cracks, and then I can go ahead and gravel it if I want. But everyone else that I talked to wanted anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 to do this. Now, a little bit of labor, I can save $3,000 to $5,000. That's not too bad. Going across my little outline here, I had to dig down and put in a couple of pieces of wood so I get my wheelbarrow across there. First time I spilled that and had to shovel that dirt twice, I kind of wised up to using some common sense there. Well, these chickens like what's going on. Wife's out there trying to level out some of the ground there where we're going to go ahead and put our greenhouse. On over here we got our fire pit. We'll be filling that up full of dirt, have a grow bed there. Be doing all kinds of different things. See, there's part of my fence, a big gate I installed in the back, the great big timbers I've got down here for big post, 12 by 12 post. That way nobody can hit them that easy and take them out. It's going to take a little bit of effort. We'll be putting a privacy fence up along here. And a privacy fence here going over this way towards the house. I got the asphalt for free. Usually they recycle that, but the guys let me have it, so I'm just gonna piece all that together, put it in here, save some money. Now the excess dirt that I'm taking out of here, I will go ahead and use that to smooth down the rough places here in the yard. We'll level things out, get it going. So I hope this little tip helps. If you can pick up that broken asphalt, yeah, it's broken, but that doesn't mean anything, but still in halfway decent shape. Instead of them crushing it and reusing it, you can reuse it. You can repurpose it for your own. Here we are now after transferring all of the excess dirt. We built up the ground, have like a little mound around our fire pit, and of course we filled up our box, our grow box for veggies. And over here, all of this here is being filmed after the big snow. We had about a foot of snow back here and it melted over the last couple days. But shortly after I finished it last time, man, the next day it just snowed like crazy. Okay, we already have the asphalt laid down. I covered it up with the broken asphalt to make it solid. We could only go up to about here. Right about in there. Didn't have any more asphalt because I used everything that was there. So now I'm going to cover this with gravel. Fill it right up here with gravel. Of course, the depression area there that was dug out will hold that gravel in there right up to the asphalt line. That'd be a pretty solid driveway.